Hi guys, welcome back on board of the Crypto Cruiser. It's me, Chris, and today we're going to talk about ADA Cardano, what it is all about, what makes it unique. We're going to talk some fundamentals, what Cardano is all about. We're going to talk some chart analysis, ADA compared to the dollar, and ADA compared to the BTC. Of course, we're going to talk some traditional markets, such as S&P 500, where they're heading in the immediate short term. And let's just start with the Bitcoin chart. Let's start, guys. I mean, we had a huge correction. So from prices, we went above 100,000. And what I'm anticipating to actually test this previous yearly resistance line that acted twice as resistance in 2021 at price of around 64 or 69,000 in April and November of 2021. It acted as resistance in the beginning of this year in March at price of around 73,000. And potentially we can drop to price of between 82 and 85,000. This is what I'm actually anticipating. Of course, we're gonna find like a bottom, and we're gonna hopefully turn this previously yearly resistance line into support, and then we're gonna have more continuation of the trend. But this is something that I actually anticipate. Um, we had a huge, massive move from in November from price of around 66,000 all the way to 100,000. So a correction will be healthy for the overall trend. When it comes to S&P 500, I've been nothing but right since I launched my channel. I've called this ABC correction down 10% on the downside. I call this V-shaped recovery at its almost previous all-time high price of around 5,650. I've called this move downside correction with basically drop to this resistance twice as acted twice as resistance, returned into support. I've called the 6,000 prices a little bit of a pullback to this local top at 5,850 and continuation of the trend on the upside, and potentially start hitting price of above 6,100. In the process, we formed a reverse head and shoulders, which if we measure from the head to the bottom, the price target should be above 6,250, and that's what I'm actually anticipating by the end of the year or early next one, S&P 500 to go. When it comes to ADA Cardano, at the time of recording this video, the market cap is around 40 billion, 42 billion. So all-time high was around 93 billion. So we are pretty much twice. I mean, we are nearing that all-time high. So in my personal opinion, we don't need so much more to actually get there, because basically from end of October, we were prices. The market cap was almost 10 billion, and we're above 40 billion. So we had 4x in a matter of month. So if we just double in price, we'll reach all-time high prices. So as I've told you, S&P 500 is extremely bullish. But what makes Cardano unique is this huge ecosystem with decentralized exchanges, lending protocols. So many applications are built on it, and a lot of programmers are using that platform to build, and a lot of people are subscribed to that network. And according to the Melkov law, that what makes one a network truly special and truly valuable. Plus, Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal to allow change makers, innovators, and visionaries to bring about positive global change. The open source project also aims to redistribute power from uncountable structures to the margins to individuals, helping to create a society that is more secure, transparent, and fair. So that's the goal for Cardano, to make society fair and to be completely decentralized, which is a very good goal to have. When it comes to chart analysis, we have to look at this move in 2017. Basically, from price of around 1 cent, we went all the way to 130, so that was around 100x. The previous bull cycle, we went from again 1 cent, pretty much 2 cents, let's say. We went around 3 cents, another 100x. I don't think we have the power to go 100x, because the bottom here was around 24 cents, which happened in October of 2023. But potentially, if we do like let's say 40x, that'll be at price of around $10. But even if it's not 40x, if it's 20x, that'll be price of around $5. And pretty much we snap out of this huge resistance line that acted many times as resistance in February. Again, this local here in July and August of 2022. It acted as resistance here in March of 2024 at this local top, and we snap above it. And in my personal opinion, of course, anything I say in this video, it is not a financial advice. It's for pure entertainment purposes. And before you do anything, do your diligence and make your own research. But what I'm actually anticipating is to actually and go test these prices, this upper trend line by Q2, Q3 of next year at price of around $5, and potentially we can even snap above it and to test higher prices, potentially even $10. I mean, of course, something can go wrong, and we can basically stop this upward trend line. We come back, we test this previous yearly resistance lines into support, but then we broke down even further. And I mean, potentially Cardano can go to zero as well. So no one can predict the future. No one knows exactly how this thing is gonna play out. So always be open-minded, be level-headed, and take it from there. When it comes to ADA compared to the BTC, measured from the bottom to the upper trend line into this huge channel pattern, measured, that's around 5x, and 5x on ADA. That's right now above $5. And once we have full price discovery, we can easily go to $10 as well. Of course, that's not a financial advice again. Once again, thank you all for tuning in. I really appreciate all the support. Thank you all. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube, please do it. It's for absolutely free. And if you want to subscribe to my Patreon, please do it. It will be amazing. Once again, thank you all for tuning in, and we'll see each other later on. Goodbye.